Whew. Dang. That's the freshest EG ever. What's up, man? Tell me about the Civic.
This is a 1993 Honda Civic SI hatchback with VTEC. I got it for about 11 grand. Didn't come with those wheels. My kind friend right there, Lynn, was nice enough to let me borrow them. Huh? 1 grand. Oh, 1100. I'm sorry, not 11 grand. Not 11 grand. It's worth 11 grand now. Yeah.
Man, this thing's clean.
OEM everything, even the motor. For now.
For now. Alright, so today is a little car cruise thing. Hosted by GMC Classic Cars and Namsayin. But, you know, it's kind of like we're right in the middle of the coronavirus outbreak right now, so we're just gonna like meet up but not get out of our cars, which it's kind of weird, but a little safety precaution. And then after everyone meets up, we're just gonna go on a little cruise. But we're gonna split halfway in the cruise to go up to Andre's house because we're gonna be doing the exhaust on my Z. So we're just waiting for 2 more guys, 1 more Civic, and some Subaru. There's Jordan. Oh, dang! Sam beat him. All right, everyone's here. We are ready to roll out.
On the gang.
On the gang. This guy, he used to have a EG Civic. I think everyone is ready to go now. Yeah, but I want to get a before and after of the exhaust real quick before I forget. So I'm just going to set it down right here. There you go. All right. Look at this rollout. To the meetup spot. See what we got here. It's a Porsche. Oh, Celica. I think that's all track and beam swapped. Sick. RX-7. Bunch of BMWs. Some FRS BRZs. That looks nice. And then this is the guy that set up the meet, bagged FRS. And I guess that's where we'll be parking. Ooh. Here you go, GTRs. That's the first new Supra I've seen in person. What is that? So what happened to staying inside of our cars?
Yeah. I got out first.
You just got out, so I got out.
Creatures of habit.
No, it's definitely right.
I'm just gonna stay.
Responsible. Get back in your
I'm staying in this area.
Take it on you.
But dang, look at his lineup. Dude, that guy was asking how many miles are on your Civic. Did you say 10?
10. How many miles I took to drive here?
Brand new for the factory at my house.
Well, 13 now. I should put a sticker on there. Those MSRP.
I was just saying how there wasn't any old cars here. And look what shows up. Hey, brown one. Oh, here's where we parked. We don't see these two together too often, but here they are. Mine's finally running. Got a little closer. It's kind of funny. Modified, stock. Oh man, you can't see it. R32 Skyline, tandem kit, chassis mount wing. Yeah, it's rollout time and traffic is way backed up. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we are on the way to Andre's house now. Looks like it's about 30 minutes away. A lot of traffic back there. The other guys are right up ahead. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
to Andre's house. That was super fun cruising with all those JDM cars. It was like a little piece of Japan. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I think it's gone on too long for now. So the next one, we're gonna be working on the exhaust on my Z. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Okay, one more thing for end the video there.
Yeah, no one.
Andre,
Hold on.
what did you do to my car? What did you do to my car?
Chop.
This is my red Skyline, and it's cut in half. Oh my god. That's sad. It's so sad. But the car was pretty rusty. So, you giving me these wheels, right?
Yeah, sure.
So what's that fancy?
Ooh, that's mine. So you guys need any Skyline parts? Hit this guy up. The rear clip's already gone. We got, what do you got? Doors, fenders, trunk?
Yes. Spoiler.
JDM bronze glass.
Some stuff here. Sad.
Oh yeah, that was the first
But yeah.
one day. Oh, that was last weekend, was it?
Now I'll see you guys later.
Adios.